since I didn't get to sow everything yesterday evening, I'm continuing now. I've got some things that I want to sow. That's one of them. A few things that I want to sow which are not quite this season. So for example, we have the broccoli and stuff, which is not really to be sown now, but I think, you know, I've got so many, let's try it. And then some things that are for this season, I think. So some spinach and stuff, so let's see. I can see some garlic poking through from last year, so I think I'll leave this part of the patch alone. Literally there's garlic, a lot of garlic. Don't know what it needed. I think it just needed moisture, I guess, or water. I don't know what it needed. Anyways, now they have all come up, so sure, garlic, whatever. Now I've planted broccoletti and just gonna cover this. So we got garlic, broccoletti, then some more garlic, 2 rows here. And now it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna stop, but we're gonna continue on that side, then that patch, and I'm gonna remove the eggplants from there. It's a shame that I have to remove them, but at this point it's just way too late in the season, so might as well remove them to make space for some other stuff. These zucchinis just keep producing. It's insane. So here we have some mixed chicory, some cabbages in this little patch here. Some spinach on this side here. So we got garlic, already forgot what that was, some more garlic and spinach. Now it's really starting to pour down. Lastly, I've planted this one in this bit here, just next to the garlic. Time to go inside. Finally, these planks are dry, so I can glue them to the wall. It took us a while, but finally they're in. Added some supports so the whole panel doesn't sag downwards, stays nicely in place like this. I'll just do a little cleanup now, but other than that, I think this is good, and hopefully tomorrow it'll be stuck to the wall so we can finally start preparing for tiling. Every time I want to start with priming the walls, I run into something that I have to do first. I need to solder that piece right there. It's going to be a T-junction right there. I need to solder that now because obviously when I do it later, when this whole platform is in, it's not going to be easy. So I need to make sure these are in, and then we can continue with priming the walls, tiling, etc., placing this whole floor, etc. Now let's turn the water on and see if anything leaks. Just in case we need them. Probably sounds stupid, but it is just fun to have water here. Dude, just go away, please. Please, go.
That's definitely a different look. Finally done. Alright, I'm gonna clean everything and we're gonna call it a day. Thank you for supporting us by watching this episode. See you next one. Ciao.